Probability 4 marks. A bag contained lemon flavored candies only. Hansini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out? Question number 1. An orange flavored candy. Question number 2. A lemon flavored candy. This bag contains only lemon flavored candies. So there are no any orange flavored candies. We confirm. Now, number of lemon flavored candies in the bag equal to 6. So n of s equal to 6 means total possible outcomes. Next, first one is an orange flavored candy. Let R be the event of getting orange flavored candy. Favorable outcomes or no orange. N of R equal to 0. Therefore, probability of orange equal to N of R by N of S, that is equal to 0 by 6, it is 0. We observe it is non-possible event. Second one, a lemon flavored candy. Let L be the event of getting lemon flavored candy. In that bag, all are lemon flavored candies. That means N of L equal to 6. Therefore, probability of L equal to N of L by N of S. That is equal to 6 by 6. That is equal to 1. We observe it is a certain event. This is the first one answer, and this is the first one answer. This is the second one answer. Thank you.